Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. If you're new here, my name is Maria and in today's video I have 4 beautiful inspired DIYs. I did use mostly Dollar Tree items. This is also in collab with other 4 beautiful talented ladies. The host for this collab is my friend Amber from DIY with Amber. All of these ladies are so talented. I'll have the link to the playlist down in the description box so you can definitely go check them out. And I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit the notification bell button so you can get notified every time I upload. With that being said, now let's craft. My first inspired DIY comes from Jenny, Lovely Moments Creating. She did this beautiful 2-tier tray. I think this turned out stunning, so I decided to recreate it. So from Dollar Tree, I'm going to use 2 of their new round decor signs and this round dowel that I got from Lowe's. I'm going to start by removing the hangers from both of these. Then I'm going to remove the stickers or the labels from the back, and I'm also removing the family metal sign. Well, I'm doing this carefully. They are a little bit thin, so they are flimsy, and these are beautiful. You can save these for other projects. I am going to use one of these in my next DIY. So once I am done removing the metal sign, I am also removing the paper from these, just so like that it looks more nice and clean. And they're going to look like this. Now I'm going to paint them, and I'm painting the back because the front piece still has a little bit of cardboard, so I just left it like that. And you're not going to be able to see it because that is going to be the bottom piece. I am painting this using some white paint. I'm going to set these aside and let them dry. Now I'm going to cut this dowel into 2 pieces. Each piece is going to be 7 inches. I do want this tier tray to be a little bit taller, so like that I am able to add different things to the bottom one. Now I'm going to stain these using some wood stain, minwax classic gray 271. Now that everything's dry, I'm going to assemble my tier tray, and to glue the dowels I'm using some E6000 just because I want this to last. So the way I glued this was I glued the dowels to the bottom piece first, and I actually let it sit there for a couple of hours before I even added the top piece. And when I added the top piece, I did put something heavy right on top. I did let this dry for 24 hours. And that is it for this DIY. I think it turned out beautiful. Thank you, Jenny, for the inspiration. By the way, I am going to leave the link to her video down in the description box, so you can definitely go check it out. My next inspiration comes from my friend Amber from DIY with Amber. She did these beautiful books using a wood crate. For my DIY, I'm actually using this little crate I made, or this little box. I don't know what you want to call this, but I did make this using some Dollar Tree wood planks. I didn't have an extra wood crate from Dollar Tree, so I decided to make my own. And in order for me to have the little book appearance in the front, I did have to add some paint stir sticks to the front, basically making my own little wood crate. I had to reuse some of the paint stir sticks I already had because I didn't have enough, but that is okay because I will be painting this white. When I glued these, I did leave a little space in between them. I then went ahead and painted the entire crate using this white paint. Once it was dry, I went ahead and added the little stickers to the front, and I'm using the Dollar Tree transfer sheet. As you can see, most of mine are gone. For the word family, I am going to use the other Dollar Tree stickers. And look how beautiful this is already turning out. Now to finish this off, I'm going to wrap some jute twine around it. I then decided to add a bow, so I am going to make one using the jute twine. After that, I was going to add it to the front part, but then I decided to add it to the top. So I will be tying all the strings at the top together and then adding the bow, so like that it doesn't look funny, just a bow on top of all these jute string. Before I finish this off, I do want to show you the difference between the Dollar Tree wood crate and the one I made. There's only a tiny bit difference. Mine is a little bit bigger, but as you can see, it can totally work using the other one. And that is it for this DIY. I think it turned out beautiful. Once again, I am going to leave Amber's link down in the description box, so you can definitely go check hers out. My next inspiration comes from Adrienne, full-time DIY mommy. She did this beautiful Easter sign. From Dollar Tree, I will be using one of these blackboard tabletop frames, and I'm going to paint the frame using the same wood stain. To cover the blackboard, I am going to use this moss sheet that I got from Dollar Tree. Now I'm going to just glue it using some hot glue. The last thing I will be doing is using the family sign I removed from my first DIY and painting it white and then adding it to the frame. And that is it for this DIY. I think it turned out beautiful. I am going to have Adrienne's link down in the description box, so you can definitely go check hers out. My next inspired project comes from Barbara, Country Lily DIY Decor. She did this beautiful home decor piece that I tried to recreate. So from Dollar Tree, I'm going to use one of their love signs. Dollar Tree right now is carrying Easter signs. In case you want to recreate this, you can use one of those. As you can see, I did remove the heart from this sign. I think I used it in one of my other videos. I'm not sure what I did with that heart. But anyways, I did sand this down just so I can make that part where the heart smooth, because I am using the front of this sign. So for the shelves, I am going to use 2 of these little Dollar Tree decor pieces, and I'm going to sand these as well. They do have glitter. I then went ahead and painted everything white. Well, I thought I wanted to leave this project white, but I will end up switching it later on. I am using these because I don't have any of the boxes to use them for the little shelves, and I'm only using 2 shelves on mine. Once everything was dry, I then went ahead and glued the shelves. So for this, I'm using a combination of E6000 and some hot glue. I do want this to be sturdy, so if I want to add something heavy, it isn't going to fall apart. And this is going to be my bottom shelf. For the top shelf, it's going to be different. I am going to break this and glue it the other way around. So if I want to add like a little decor on top, I can. Now, in order for this to have some extra surface, I did glue some Jenga blocks, so like that I am able to add E6000 and some hot glue, and my shelf is going to be nice and sturdy. And as you can see, it looks beautiful in white, but I decided to paint mine using the Waverly chalk paint in Elephant. And that is it for this project. I think it turned out beautiful. I'm going to leave Barbara's video link down in the description box, so you can definitely go check hers out. And that is it, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. And don't forget to go check out the playlist that will be down in my description box, so you can definitely get more inspirations. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and until next time, bye.